Take command of the road in the 2006 Nissan Xterra. It features four-wheel drive capabilities, a durable automatic transmission, and a 4-liter 6-cylinder engine. Nissan infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as front and rear cup holders, a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, skid plates, remote keyless entry, a roof rack, and power windows. Enjoy your favorite music via the stereo system, which includes a CD player with AM/FM radio and 6 speakers enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Nissan also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, traction control, anti-whiplash front head restraint, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.